In this video, we are talking about an exercise to help your baby with prop sitting or sitting with their hands, helping to support their body on the floor. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Lauren Baker, a pediatric physical therapist, and on this channel, we help proactive parents learn how to help their babies move better. Think of me as your pediatric physical therapy bestie, here to help you learn how to help your babies move with confidence and ease. In today's video, we are talking about one of my favorite exercises for helping babies transition into propped sitting. And propped sitting is essentially where a baby is using their arms and their hands to help supplement their core strength as they are learning how to sit up by themselves. The age at which a baby is kind of expected or should be hitting this milestone is around that 4 to 5 month range. Some babies, though, hit it a little bit earlier, and some babies hit it a little bit later. The biggest thing that you want to look for is progress. This milestone, though, is really important because what we do see with kiddos who maybe aren't using their hands on the floor to help them support themselves, or maybe skip this milestone, is that they could be avoiding using their hands because of actual weakness in their upper trunk or in their shoulder girdle, which they are going to then need for crawling, as well as rolling from belly to back. So if you do notice that prop sitting is a struggle for a baby, make sure that they are getting that 60 minutes per day total of tummy time, and then also make sure that you are using some of these exercises to help a kiddo transition. If you do have questions, stick to the end because I'm going to give you an option to work directly one-on-one with me. All right. So we're going to work on sitting independently. So this little one is working on transitioning from prop sit to sitting independently. And one of the big things we want to do is, you can kind of see her falling over, is we want to get her to bring those arms up a little bit and sit. So a good way to work on even just propped sitting is to get a toy in their lap. So you want to tuck these feet in to ring sit. So she's kind of like this. This is a ring sit. And we want to bring her trunk up. So by bringing something in her lap, and I'm kind of a hand underneath her elbows, I'm going to reposition those legs and be behind here to give her any support that she might need. A lot of times babies will either fall backwards or sideways. If she tends to fall to the left more, I'm going to put my hand in a C shape right on her right hip here, so that as she falls this way, I'm going to be able to help her keep her hip down. Yeah, good work. Boop. And then also cue her kind of on the side opposite of the one she's falling. So if she's falling to the left, I need to cue her by giving her tickles to use her right side to come up. And that's a wrap, friends. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule in order to help your babies learn how to get stronger. I know that this can be a complicated topic and one that is not necessarily natural to a lot of parents. So I really appreciate you taking the time to learn how to best serve your little one. If you have continued questions, make sure you check the pinned comment. You're going to find a link to schedule a one-on-one parent consultation with me, and we can dive deeper into all of the building blocks that babies need in order to master the milestone of sitting, as well as master the pre-milestone of propped sitting. A lot of times there are multiple areas that you're looking at in order for a baby to fully master a milestone, including mobility, strength, and transitions. So I love talking with parents who are proactive about the ways that they can help their babies, because you guys, there is so much that you can do with just a little bit of knowledge and a whole lot of courage. If you are in the season where you are looking for all things propped sitting, make sure that you check out this video next, and you can continue to learn about different exercises that you can do in order to help a baby achieve prop sitting, and different ways that you can support them, facilitate them, and help them achieve that milestone.